for some reason. Full beach today. Okay. We're ready to go in? Okay, here we are again, back over the water. Beautiful, beautiful water. Hello, Eileen. Actually, you know what? Here, can you? My favorite place on the planet is the beach, the ocean. I love it, I love it, I love it. I almost love it as much as my wife.
Yeah.
Oh, we're new. I'd go under and do what we did at the pool that one time, but that was a utter disaster.
Which is salty.
Yeah.
Very.
Oh, I love it. I'd put this in the water, but maybe I will. Let's just go in the... No?
What are you going to see?
True, not much.
Last time you could see it over. Remember the
Yes, but that was early in the morning. There's too many people here now. Let's have a look at... Let's do a panorama. We got the boats out there. We got the parasailer out there. We got the pier over there, which is where we just went. Here's where we parked, in this big pink place, surf style parking garage. And there's our two umbrellas. Somebody's parked right on top of Eileen's. So yeah. There's number 2. And down here is number 1. Yep. There's the rocks. That's as far as you can go. I went there earlier. And here's a sightseeing tour going on out there. Oh, this is the life, I tell you.